with this bad boy.
Labelliferous.
This is, I hope I got this one on the list, I think I did. Yes, it's on the last page of your list. 1143, Thujopsis, dolabrata, Variegata. Thujopsis, so you can see this relationship with Thuya. Now, Durr is not very flattering about Thujopsis. He says, you know, they're kind of a collector plant, etc., etc. I tend to disagree with him on that because this one is, I think, a little gem because it is so distinct from anything else that we can grow here. This is obviously the variegated form, and you can see the variegation. And it is, we've wrapped it.
Nice.
We're not sure if we need to wrap it, but we wrapped it from the get-go because it is marginally hardy in this zone. And you can tell, really, just by looking at how thick and wide those leaves are, that it might be having, you know, might have a tough time here, right? So we wrap it, but if we had more than one, we wouldn't. They're fairly expensive because they're relatively slow growing, and you can see it's got the characteristics of the Thuya, but in like magnified perspective. Like you can see the scale arrangement is really quite large. So a great study plant because you can really see the detail. You can see the scales with the white lining around them, etc., etc. Plants that are variegated, especially evergreens that have this type of variegation in it, this kind of sporadic variegation, tend to burn. They're more prone to both sunburn and to winter burn. Right, so we've got to be very cautious of that. Thujopsis, dolabrata, Variegata. There is no picture on the website because we haven't photographed it yet. There is a picture of Thujopsis, dolabrata, the straight species, and the only one I've seen in Ontario growing for a period of years is the one on the website, which is the Niagara Parks Botanical Garden. There are others now, but they're fairly young.